Hey y'all, I'm Miss Alicia and I'm a program facilitator with Girls Inc. And today I'm going to show y'all how to make a simple yogurt parfait recipe. But before y'all get started, make sure you go and wash your hands real good. Okay, so now there's only 3 simple ingredients you'll need. You'll need plain non-fat yogurt, or you can get flavored yogurt, or even Greek yogurt. It all depends on you. Then you have granola, which Natural Valley is my favorite, so of course I had to get oats and honey. And then also you can get either fresh fruit or frozen fruit, which I got frozen fruit, but also make sure you let it thaw first before you start this recipe. So you get your bowl. Then put some yogurt on the bottom. It depends on how much you want to do. And then you get to your fruits. And you'll put your pieces of fruit in there. I'm sorry, y'all, like to get some secret fruit. And then you get another layer of yogurt. And then you top it with granola. Then voila, you have you a yogurt parfait. Thank you for coming to my video.
I'm trying to clear nature and give it more soil. So leave a like on this video.